Hey girl, hey, it's Kiyaa. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, make sure you consider subscribing, becoming a doll today. If you're not new here, hey girl, hey. So today's look is going to be this updo. Y'all know that I love ponytails, I love updos. It's just been my thing lately, and I'm gonna show y'all how I achieved this look. I did curl it, and I showed y'all the look before pinning it up, so y'all will be able to see that as well. But this is the showstopper, okay? So if you're interested in this video, make sure you keep on watching, become a doll, subscribe, like, do all the things. Hey y'all, so we are about to go ahead and get into this hair. But first, I want to do my makeup because I don't want to be on camera like this and then be putting this on my head. You get what I'm saying? If you are interested in this, it comes about right here on me. Alright y'all, so my makeup is done. I also put some makeup on the inside of the lace and around the hairline. I'm going to go ahead and spray some of my got-to-be glue around my hairline just so that I can get the flyaways to lay back, and then I use my hot comb. I guess you could say this is like an updated version of how I do my lace. So I'll go ahead and cut my ear tabs off, and I plucked the hairline as well. I didn't do much plucking on this wig just because I didn't have to do too much plucking on this wig. It already came pre-plucked. And I didn't bleach the knots or anything. Y'all, just a little bit of makeup literally goes a long way. Of course, you could pluck the part that you like, side, middle part. So now we're gonna go in with our Wonder Lace, spray our hairline. Alright y'all, so now that my elastic band is on, I like to clip my hair up when I put my elastic band on. I'm just gonna go ahead and start like parting my hair. I don't want to do my typical middle part with curls. I kind of want to do like a updo. Alright y'all, so now that I've cut my lace off, I also sprayed my hairline again, and y'all see me pull like these two little pieces right here. If you do decide to use these two pieces on the side as anchors to kind of like hold the lace down while you blow dry. So basically what I did was I had my blow dryer in between my legs, and I used my little anchors to pull my lace down to make sure it was intact and in the area that I wanted it to be in. Then I took my comb and let the blow dryer just hit it and pull the anchor while I, you know, kind of melted it in, and then you tie your elastic band around it. That's why it's good to always have your hair clipped up for this part, because you are about to, like, you know, be trying to put this elastic band on, and there's no reason for you to have it down. Like, pin it up, clip it up, do whatever you gotta do. It makes it so much easier to tie your elastic band around. This has Velcro, but it's too big, so I just tied it like a regular one. But I like to peel it from, as y'all see, the back, like closer to the hairline, off my skin that way, instead of peeling it the opposite way, because then you're peeling the lace up. You know what I'm saying? And just put a little bit of makeup around the hairline if you feel the need to. I'm going to use the same brush that I use for my foundation, and I'm just going to tap that around the hairline a little bit. This lace right here is super thin, y'all. Like, it's super thin. I believe this is a transparent lace. Definitely recommend 10 out of 10. Now that we have the anchors down a little bit, I'm just going to take just a little bit more hair for these sideburn pieces. I just take enough, you know. I like to go in a diagonal. Some people like to go like straight up. I like to go diagonal because I don't like that super straight line going across and then your baby hair's going down. I think that's so tacky. I don't like it. So I like to go in an angle. Even with my little baby hairs right here, because I am going to do two little baby hairs on the side, which I typically don't do, but I'm gonna still do it. This is my guide to do the perfect baby hairs on each side to get a symmetrical baby hair on each side. So I part down the middle. Even if you're not doing the middle part, I still part down the middle. So I kind of like part going across. Try to grab the same exact amount on each side. That's basically what I have. That amount on both sides, and do the same thing. Part diagonal on the side. I like to style my baby hairs with got to be glue. You want to cut your baby hairs at an angle down. Okay? Start from the top. You can do it short, but not too short. Then you want to curl them. You need one of these Amazon small edge flat iron. And you don't need no super hard curl, just enough, just bend it a little. Spray the area that I want to do first and swoop, okay? I'm putting my blow dryer inside my legs. Alright y'all, so the baby hairs are done on both sides. That's how you get like a perfect symmetrical baby hair. Part down the middle, take your two pieces out. I only like to do two. I know we all have been trying to figure out like what's the best baby hair look, but I feel like two is enough. And I'm also going to spray around my hairline to make sure that everything is secure and down. Now that we did that, we're going to go ahead and tie this down. Now I'm going to go in with my T3 curling iron, and this is the size, I'm not sure what size this is, but it's the one that looks even all the way around. Like that whole barrel looks like the same size, if not a little smaller than this part, the base part. I typically like to put my hair in a ponytail first, style my hair, then do the updo. But I seen some girls, like some of the bigger influencers or hairstylists, they would curl the hair first and then pin it up, because then you got all of the hair is curled and you get the style as you desire. We're gonna go ahead and get into the styling, so let's go. Because I don't got no hair in the bag, we'll have to hold the back down using these two pieces and bring it up. So I'm taking all the pieces out that I know that I want. We're gonna clip this up real fast. You could do it messy like this, where you just clip it up and then hide your clip, which is always super cute. You see? That's a look too, but that's not what I'm going for. Kinda is, but not really. So now I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna curl like all my little pieces again. And you can use a tighter curling iron, like say for instance you have like a flat iron, would be good with this, but I want that loose kind of look. And like I said, this is also a look right here too. You don't have to go in and do any extra steps if you don't want to. I'm just going in and curling these pieces because I done sat here and combed it out, and I really want this to be like a curled pin up. Yeah. The curlier at first, the better. So when you do go out and you know, you hanging out for your event, you can vibe, you know, and you don't gotta worry about, oh, my hair gonna fall, oh, my curls ain't gonna last. You can always cut these, but I don't want to cut mine because I don't want my hair cut. So now that I'm gonna wipe my lip gloss off, now that we have those down, I'm gonna go ahead and pull these two in my mouth because it's just me. I don't have nobody to help me. You can braid it, whatever. got the ponytail. You can always go in with like a little clip. I say bring it down a little bit and clip it up, and then just kind of let it hang, and then you can pin it up like that. If you have black hair, you can do a black clip and it's gonna blend super well. But because I don't have like, I have like a pink one, which would be cute. It would be a look. Or I could do one that's the color of my shirt, which that's off. They look about the same color as my shirt. Oh, this one right here. Yeah. So you could do one the color of the shirt, because we already wearing that. And then you pin that in. Shorter the better. Then you just want to kind of like pin that up. The hair is so soft, y'all. I really don't want to put like a bunch of hairspray or nothing in it. I kind of want to just leave it. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I feel like it's super cute, super dainty. Like, I just love it. I love the color. I've always loved like burgundies, a burnt orange. Those colors always make my skin complexion pop, which I really do like. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. But coming down today, of course, be a part of the family. I think this hairstyle really did come out really pretty. I feel as though this is like a girls type of look. Like, it's very feminine, flirty, wifey. It's like I'm, you know, I'm a rich mama, housewife, going to pick up my son at 3 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? In my Maybach truck, period. So like I said, I just love this look. I think it's super cute. I love the color on me. I think it really does allow my skin complexion to pop. It's definitely giving. The baby hairs are giving. It's coming out the scalp, okay? You can't even tell that it's not mine, period. I will see y'all in my next video, and look forward to more fall looks because we are in the season. And yeah, see y'all later. Bye.